Have you ever looked at your savings account and wondered, is this really the best I can do? Maybe you've stumbled upon investment platforms like StashAway and thought, could this be the golden ticket to financial freedom? Well, today, we're diving deep into that question. Can you actually make money with StashAway? Let's be honest, the promise of passive income is enticing. The idea of letting your money work for you while you chill is a dream come true, right? But is StashAway the magical money-making machine it claims to be? We're about to find out. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly break down what StashAway is. Essentially, it's an investment platform that offers automated investment portfolios. You tell them your risk tolerance, investment goals, and they do the rest. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Now, the big question, can you actually make money with it? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Let's unpack that. Understanding returns. First off, let's talk about returns. StashAway doesn't guarantee any specific returns. Remember, investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. However, they do provide historical performance data for their different portfolios. It's crucial to understand what these numbers mean. A historical return of 8% might sound fantastic, but it doesn't guarantee you'll make 8% every year. Market conditions fluctuate, and your actual returns can vary significantly. Fees and costs. Another critical factor is fees. StashAway, like any investment platform, charges fees. These fees can eat into your returns if you're not careful. So, make sure you understand the fee structure clearly. It's also essential to consider other costs, such as taxes. While StashAway might handle some aspects of tax reporting, you're ultimately responsible for your tax obligations. Diversification and risk. Diversification is key to investing. StashAway offers different portfolios catering to various risk tolerances. This is a good thing because it allows you to spread your investments across different asset classes, reducing your risk. However, it's essential to assess your risk tolerance honestly. Don't be tempted to chase higher returns by taking on more risk than you can handle. Investing should align with your financial goals and comfort level. Long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term game. It's unlikely you'll become a millionaire overnight with StashAway or any other investment platform. Consistent investing over time is crucial for building wealth. Short-term market fluctuations shouldn't deter you from your long-term goals. Focus on your financial plan and stick to your investment strategy. Is StashAway right for you? StashAway can be a great option for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. It offers convenience, diversification, and professional management. However, it might not be the best choice for experienced investors seeking granular control over their portfolios. Ultimately, the decision to use StashAway depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Can you make money with StashAway? The potential is there, but it's not a guaranteed money-making machine. Like any investment, it requires careful consideration and understanding. Remember, investing involves risk. Do your research, understand the fees, and align your investment strategy with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.